we are doing problem based on matrix inverse method. I will explain one word problem. Write down. The cost of 4 kg onion, the cost of, I will dictate this. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat, the cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is rupees 60. Should I write? No. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is 60 rupees. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat, 6 kg rice is 90 rupees. Okay. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat, 3 kg rice is 70 rupees. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. I will repeat whole, first from beginning. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is 60 rupees. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat, 6 kg rice is 90 rupees. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat, 3 kg rice is 70 rupees. Okay. Find the cost of each item. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. Okay, this is the question. Okay, is it okay? Fine. So now what we will write as, let the cost of onion, let the cost of onions per kg is equal to some x rupees. Okay, the cost of onion after what is wheat is equal to how many rupees? Y rupees. Meat nahi. And then the cost of what is that? Rice. Rice is equal to how much? Z. Okay, right? So cost of onion, wheat and rice is given. So what is the first thing is they given? 4 kg? 4 kg onions. That is 4x. Per kg is 4. Then how many is that? X. 4x. Per kg is x rupees. So 4 kgs means cost will be 4x. Next one. 3 kg means 3y. Right? Next one is what? 2 kg. 2z is equal to how much? The total is how much? 60 rupees. Now tell me, next one read it first. 2 kg onion. Next 4 kg 4 kg means 4y. Next 6z 90. Okay. Next 6x 2y plus 3z 70. Okay, understood? So we have wrote this. Now what we will do here, this is board level question, board level, completely board level question. So now you got these things, we have converted into this equation form. Now we will convert into matrix form. So matrix form, write it in matrix form. What do you get here? Writing given equation in matrix form. Writing given equations in matrix form. So 4 2 6 3 4 2 2 6 3 x y z is equal to 60 90 70. Okay, after this नामकरण देना है ना, नामकरण मीन्स नेम उसका क्या बोलते हैं, wrong, then name you should give name, right? Name means this is A, this is X, this is B. Should I write? You will write ना, आपको ऐसा लिखना है. How to write in exam means let A is this, means A is equal to this, you have to write. B is equal to this, X is equal to this. I'll write here AX is equal to B, है ना, AX is equal to B, right sir? So what we will write now? Multiply A inverse on both sides. So see here, if you want to write direct, you can write, but writing these steps is good. Okay, so multiplying A inverse on both sides, A inverse into A into X is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse into A is I into X is equal to A inverse B. I will give time to write, please listen. So I into X is what? X. X is equal to what? A inverse B. Okay sir? Okay, all right. So what do you have to find now? A inverse find out करना है. A inverse into B ना, हमको क्या करना है? X, you are right, X we have to find. Okay, first we will do A inverse. For A inverse what you have to do? Determinant A, determinant first we have to find. First we have to check whether solution is there or not. है ना, कुछ का टाइम में ना गलत भी दे सकते हैं ना इधर. So we have to check whether the solution is there or not. So what you do here? Determinant of A we will find. Determinant of A means what you will write here? This is A. That's why we given names. So what do you have? 4 3 2 2 4 6 6 2 3. I'll write here. Now 4 into, tell me fast. 12 minus 12. 3 into 6 minus 36 plus 2 into 4 minus 24. So what I get here? 4 into 0, 3 into minus 30 plus 2 into minus 20. It means here 90 minus 40, right? 50. Not equal to 0. Non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. I explained this one. Non-singular matrix. Therefore, A inverse exists. Therefore, system has the solution. System has unique solution. System has which solution? Unique solution. Okay, you got this one. So what I have to find now? A inverse. So to find A inverse is said inverse method. So cofactor method we can use it. Okay, till now you write down, I'll tell you next. Tell me matrix. A is equal to what you got? No. A matrix. 4 3 2 2 4 6 6 2 3. So this is the matrix we have. Determinant of A, how much you got? 5 0 50, right? Now what you do here? Cofactor matrix I'll find. So I'll find directly, you have to help. C11. C11 is equal to what? Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 power. You know the cofactor formula kya hai? What is cofactor formula? What is cofactor formula? Cij minus 1 power I plus j Mij, right? Formulas must and should read, trigonometry formulas, all formulas. No? I will suggest you, if it is possible, whatever chapters till now done, chapter wise make formula list. Where I kept box, where I set formulas, keep it everything box. Make it separate, formulas list separate, and then you will get easily. Okay. Now here Cij, cofactor means Cij is equal to minus 1 power I plus j Mij. So I'll write fastly. C11, tell me what you get here. Minus 1 power 1 plus 1 M11. So this is closed, this is closed. Hide the row and column. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12, so 0. Right? Right now. Next C12. C12 means 1 2 when you have odd number. So minus 1. I'll write directly. I will not write now formula minus 1 because odd number power is minus 1. Next this is closed, this is closed. 2 3s are 6 minus 30, minus 30. Minus 30, that is equal to plus 30. Right, C13, C13, tell fast. C13 positive 4 minus 24, that is equal to minus 20. C13 over. Next C21. C21 bolo. C21 tell fat. Okay. Tell me how much C12? C21 minus 1 into 5. Answer is minus 5. Next, tell me C22. C22 is positive 1. Ting tong 0. C23. C23 ting tong 8 minus 18 minus 10. Right? Minus 10 and minus plus 10. C31. 31 8 18 minus 8 plus 10. Yeah, this is minus already. Right, C32. See, you don't do mistake, tell me, otherwise I'll do it. Right. How much? 24 minus 4. 20, right? Minus 20? Minus 20. C33. Positive 16 minus 6. 10. Okay? Cofactor आ गया. So cofactor matrix you write down. Adjoint can I write directly? No, cofactor will write. Cofactor matrix will be cofactor of A is equal to fatafat. 0 30 minus 20 minus 5 0 10 10 minus 20 10. This is there. And the transpose of is adjoint matrix. So adjoint A will be what? Adjoint inverse I'll find directly. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A 1 by 50 and transpose of this. Adjoint A, na? Yes. So what do you do right here? 0 30 minus 20 minus 5 0 10 10 minus 20 minus 10. This is A inverse, right? Now what you have to find? X is equal to A inverse into B. Don't multiply inside. Now you don't multiply. Here you follow what I said. X is equal to A inverse is what? 1 by 50. Don't multiply. This takes a lot of time, wasting time. 0 minus 5 10 30 0 minus 20 minus 20 10 10 and into B matrix. B matrix B. Tell me. 60 90 70. Now what you do here? Multiply these two matrices. Multiply these two matrices. Okay. Yeah, now you got the answer. So what you do here? 1 by 50 keep same. Okay. So x is equal to 1 by 50 keep same. And just we multiply here. 0 into 60 0. 9 5s are 45, minus 450. Minus 450 plus 700. Okay, getting or not? Multiplication, matrix multiplication. Row by column. Right, tell me. 6 3s are 1800. Right? 1800. 0. Next. Minus 1400. Right? Next. Minus 1200 plus 900 plus 700. Okay, so x is equal to 1 by 50, 350, 250, 250. Okay, next here 400. Next to 400. Right, sir? Now divide by this. Now you 50 divide inside. Now it will be divided. So divide by 50 means 250 by 50. 250 by 50. 400 by 50. 400 by 50. So this is 8. 5. So x is equal to what you got here? 588. What is x? X is a matrix now. What is x? Which x is? X is what? X, Y, Z. And that is equal to what? 588. If two matrices are equal, then the corresponding elements will be equalated. So x is equal to how much? Y is equal to? Z is equal to? What? Who is x? Per kg. Cost of onion per kg. Y is cost of wheat per kg, and cost of rice per kg. Okay, you got it. You should write there. End में क्या लिखना है? Cost of onion per kg is 5 rupees. Cost of wheat per kg is 8 rupees. Cost of onion per kg is 8 rupees. Rice is 8 rupees. Fine.